Hello everyone, welcome to another crypto cult video, and in today's video we are not going to talk about an airdrop. We are going to talk about whale tracking. How can you track the whales? What are whales doing? What trades are whales taking? We are going to dive deep into analytics for crypto. Where can you view these analytics, and how can you create your own filters for the analytics? How do you find alphas? Where are we investing, and so on? So this is going to be a very interesting video and something that you might not know, as it is a slightly advanced topic, but I'll try to keep it very simple and will avoid getting too technical here so everybody understands something. So make sure to like the video and let's go to the screen. So we are going to start with GMX leaderboard. What is GMX leaderboard? Basically it's an exchange where a lot of people are trading right now, and on this leaderboard you can track which is the largest open position right now, which is the top settled position right now, and what are these traders looking for. Are they long or are they short? So let's take an example. So here we have top open positions right now, and here you can see there is a bull symbol and here is a bear symbol. So these are shorts and these are long. So let's open some of them up. Let's see this guy who has taken a short and see what his position looks like. So here we can see the position. He is short on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and as we can see his position, some of it is in profit, some of it is in loss. Mostly he is in profit. Here we can see their past rate. So how are they a trader? So in this way you can rank these traders. If you look closely, we can see what is the amount of profit he books. So that means he books very quickly sometimes. So this is how you can see a trader. Also we can see that this guy holds the trade for too long. As you can see, a 25x trade, he made a decent profit and covered most of his losses. So he is probably a momentum trader that once acquires a good position, he then starts riding it. And here we can see their total portfolio and how it started and how it is going right now. So they have been in losses a lot of times. They have also recovered their losses a lot of times. In this way you can go and find more traders here, and from there you can find which one to follow or whose strategy you can copy. But this is a very manual process. So how can we automate this? So for that we use Dune Analytics. Dune Analytics is an on-chain analytical tool for a lot of things, including trading, NFT, etc. So on Dune Analytics main page, you see the top trending analytic tools that are being accessed right now. Some of them are months old, but the data is new since it is derived from the blockchain. So first, let's see how can you use Dune Analytics for random things. For example, Arbitrum is trending right now. So let's see what is trending on Arbitrum. So here is a dashboard created by OXRoll, and it is tracking Arbitrum airdrop. So we have seen a lot of Arbitrum airdrop dashboards here. So this is the total recipients, total airdrop amount, airdrop distribution, how many addresses have claimed it, what percent of the airdrop has been claimed. So if you know what percent of the airdrop has been claimed, you can see whether the price of Arbitrum is going to stabilize now or we should wait for everybody to claim. So if it was like just 5% claimed, that means 95% people are still waiting to claim their airdrop, and those people can claim and sell. So that is a red flag for people who are looking to long or buy Arbitrum. So in this way you can use these analytical tools. You can also go back to Discover, and now we will try to find some trading related dashboard. So let's search trader. Here we can see different kind of things like OpenSea top traders, more profitable NFT traders. So if you are looking to get into NFT, you can just look at what the most profitable traders are buying or what are they looking for. So here is a guy called Sneaky Ninja Pants, and you can just open his account and see a lot of NFTs being traded, and in this way you can follow along with him. So we were looking at GMX leaderboard for tracking big traders. So here we can see how we can get the best traders on GMX. So here is a dashboard for top traders on GMX, and here they have loaded it. So it is Andrew Kang and rest are addresses. This is their total PNL, their last trade, and how long have they been trading. So in this way you can rank these guys instead of manually looking through the leaderboard at GMX. So let's open Andrew Kang, and here we can see that this guy is also short. So if you want to copy this guy, you can also short along with him. Although he's being very risk averse, he's not sure about the position because it's just a 2x short, and rest of his trades are way bigger than 2x. You can see 22x, 21x. So this guy trades heavily when he's sure, and is risk averse when he's not. So right now he's being a little bit risk averse. He's not sure about the market going down, but he is building a short that he might close in a small loss. So we can also study his trading pattern and so on, decide what we want to see. Similarly, we can also track whales here. Click on whales, ETH whales, top 100 ETH whales. Here it will summarize everything about the top 100 ETH whales, how much balance they hold and so on. So in this way, you can find the wallet of top ETH whales, go through their wallet and see what projects they are buying, what they are investing in, and so on. In the next video, we will talk about how we can create our own query. For example, I want to see top 100 Arbitrum whales and it is not available here. So how do we create that query? We'll just click on new query and then we will write some queries here. You need to know basics of SQL. I'll try to make a video and provide you with the sample code that you can use for writing your own query. So in this way, I want you to go and explore Dune Analytics, how you can use it to track different things. You can find early NFT alphas, what are the top NFT traders buying right now. We can see what are the top DEX traders are doing, what is happening in the DEXs, which coin is being bought a lot. In this way, you can spot these trends early before they reach Twitter, Telegram or anywhere else. And this is something that we regularly use to find you good trades and find you things that you should be looking at. So do let me know whether you like me to create a tutorial for writing a new query. It's very complex and maybe a lot of people will not use it that much. So at least I need 50 comments that saying that yes, we want a complete tutorial, and then I will make it. So comment down below, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
गोरी प्लग किचन हीट लफ्ज मेरे हथियार पहली चोट नो के सीन जैसे गिल्टीन रगो मैं बैरनी कटील नशीला